Hello, it's Laura Angel with Mississippi State University in DeSoto County, and I just wanted to come on here and encourage everyone to come and get an Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go kit this week. This week we are featuring our farmers markets. So your bag is loaded with information about shopping local and buying local fresh produce and local fruits and vegetables, local meat, local eggs, cheeses, and all those good things. And so we have information on where you can purchase it at. There is a listing of all the different farmers markets that you can shop around the state of Mississippi, and we have addresses that are local to us that you can check out, some of the local markets that are near us. And then we gave you a scavenger hunt, and we challenge you to do a scavenger hunt this week. So like, for instance, go to the market and find a honey vendor. Go to the market and meet someone that sells fresh cut flowers. And so come and take the challenge. Get a farmers market scavenger hunt and the information on where to shop locally at the farmers market. And then we also have a cool, happy, healthy calendar for you. And so come on down to the DeSoto County Extension office and grab your Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go kit today. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 each day. You enter the main entrance and come and get your brown bags in the hallway. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment below about the brown bags if you have a question about them. We look forward to hearing from you, and take the challenge this week and shop locally and shop the local farmers market. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day and stay safe.